Hey everyone, so today we are cleaning some foxtail palm seeds. These came to us from Central Texas. I got about 20 pounds of them, fresh seeds. I thought I'd show you how I actually clean foxtail palm seeds. The process is actually pretty easy. These came pretty ripe with the fruit and pulp on them. And what I do is I soak them in water. I leave them sitting outside. It's about 80 degrees here, so it's pretty warm. And that just really kind of takes the pulp right off. So in this bucket, I've just got regular water. It's been soaking for about 24 hours. If I reach in here, I'll just show you. So these are the foxtail palm seeds, and all you really have to do is get in there. It's a little difficult to do this one-handed, but you just gotta get in there and kind of clean up, brush off all that pulp, and the water really helps. And there you have it. That is a nicely cleaned foxtail palm seed. So what I'll do is I will toss those in this bucket, so you can see I've got a whole handful of seeds that I've already cleaned, and I will soak those again for probably another 24 hours just to remove any of the extra pulp and fruit on there, and then they will be pretty much ready to go for planting. So that's how to clean foxtail palm seeds for planting.